Oh yeah.
Alright, now look, okay? It ain't gonna win you beauty competitions, but I'll tell you what, from 40 yards away or driving by it, it might turn a couple heads, and that's all we're going for. So what do you think it looks like? If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs up. Just kidding. I'm tired, it's Friday night. I gotta work tomorrow, so I'm going to bed. Anyways, I hope you liked the video, and stay tuned for the passenger side. Maybe it'll turn a little better now that I kind of, sort of know what I'm doing.